Good morning, everyone. Time to wash my hair again, so let's jump right in. I have my oils in here. This is for another hair conditioner recipe. I love hair conditioner recipes. This one has olive oil and coconut oil, which are very good for your scalp. I'm going to store it in this plastic container, and I suggest that if you're going to take it directly to shower so you don't break glass, if you're going to save it, you can save it in one of these jars. Any jar in your house that's completely sterilized and clean. Now I'm going to do the water phase. So in here I do not have my essential oil yet because it's too hot. And it will burn out the fragrance. There we have it. I'm going to just do the rest of this. I'm making a mess. I'm always making a mess. Get used to it. So I'm going to put the top on, and I'm going to blend it. And let's see what we got here. Let's tighten it up. Okay, so I blended it up. It's going to get a little thicker. Do not put this in your hair. It's very hot. Let it cool down to room temperature before you use it because it's boiled. It's boiling water, boiling oils together. So that's the blend. So I'm going to unplug it and I'm going to pour it into my shower container. And there you have it. Another shampoo, another conditioner for your hair. Now, because my hair is long, I use this whole thing. And I soak my ends in here, and then I run the rest through my scalp. So this is a really good treatment. Again, this is coconut oil, olive oil, virgin light olive oil without the fragrance. And it also has the rosemary, flaxseed, aloe vera water, and it also has aloe vera water, flaxseed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And a little bit of glycerin. I don't put too much oil because that weighs my hair down. So I just put a little bit and that'll last all month. I don't really use a lot of oil in my hair because it clogs your scalp. So I mostly enjoy the rosemary, fresh rosemary. You can get it out your spice cabinet. And there you have it. So I'm going to put the top on it. And I'm going to sit it in the shower stall. And tomorrow morning, when I wash my hair, this will be nice and rich and thick. You can leave it in for about 20 to 30 minutes before you wash it out. It is a leave-in conditioner if you use a little bit. Like, don't put all this in your hair and leave it in your hair. If you're going to use a leave-in, just maybe 2 tablespoons tops. And the thinner your hair is, the less you use. If your hair is really thick, you can get away with some, but I have long hair and thick hair. So I use this as a rinse. I wash my hair, I use the conditioner, and I rinse it out after 30 minutes because I like it to penetrate clear through my scalp and get all the hair follicles, okay? That is it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.